hello to all my students. From now onwards, I'll be taking your art period also. And today we are going to do this page number 3. And as you can see that on this page there are types of lines and there are shapes, then there are figures. So first of all, how do we initiate to draw any picture? With the help of these lines. Okay, now how do we draw lines? Sometimes lines are horizontal. The lines which we draw sleeping are called horizontal lines. The lines which is broken, like it is as dash dash, it has gap between them, so this is called broken line. And generally in drawing book we have figures in broken lines or in dot form, and we have to outline these dotted lines or broken lines. Next is curve line. How to draw curve? It's like this. Okay, next, now the standing lines are called verticals. Okay, vertical line, and the slanting lines are called diagonal, and this is called zigzag line. Okay, straight mountains type of lines, this is called zigzag lines. Okay, now from with the help of lines we draw certain shapes. And now students, shapes can be flat, like say there are flat shapes like circle, rectangle, triangle, which we have on a flat surface. Okay, or and forms are the shapes which are in 3D form. Okay, like cube, sphere, prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder and cuboid. So whenever we find any object, like see, if I show you this tape, so this tape is in which shape? It is circle. It is circle in shape. And if I show you a ball, if I'll show you a ball, then what you will say? The ball looks like a sphere, right? Because that is 3D. And this is triangle. You know, the samosa which we enjoy is triangle in shape. Square. And yes, you should also learn that how many lines are used to draw these shapes. In circle there is no line, there is only a curve with join. Okay, and then rectangle has 4 lines. Okay, 4. 2 opposite lines are equal in rectangle. Triangle has how many lines? Triangle is formed with the help of 3 lines. Then square has all 4 sides equal. Then there is oval. If we compress the circle, then it forms an oval like egg, right? An egg is oval in shape. Next, hexagon. So you can count the lines which are used to make hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 lines. If we join 6 lines in this way, it makes a hexagon. Then moon. Yes, there is a moon shape also. Stars, leaf, this is a flower shape. Okay, next, these are the forms like cube. As you know, the ice cube, if you have seen the ice cube, yes, that is cube. Sphere, like a ball. Prism, like this, like a tent. Pyramid, have you seen a pyramid? Cone, it's like a birthday cap. Cylinder, like this. This color box is also in cylinder in shape, right? It has 2 flat surface and it is round. Okay, and as like pipes also, the pipes which we use, that is also cylinder in shape. Next, cuboid, it's like a box, right? So students, you should know the names of all the shapes and forms. And now just check out this picture. We have to draw forms. With the help of the shapes or forms, we can draw some pictures. So this is the picture of rooster and chicks. This is rooster and these are the chicks. So let's first outline these chicks. You need the sketch pen. Black sketch pen would work. Okay, and then you will need color box. You will need a color box. Okay, so here you see, first you can outline it or you can color it. It's up to you. You can outline it with the help of pencil so that you do not make any mistake, right? Because if you directly use color, you may do some mistake and it will look very shabby like this. It's what I have drawn. I have drawn the face of this chick by drawing a circle, and now this the body is kind of leaf in shape, or oval, I can say oval shape. Okay, next rooster is already drawn. Now we have to just color it. So the face is yellow in color, so I'll color it yellow. All right, now the remaining structure is orange in color, so you can color it orange. Next, rooster, as you can see, this part of rooster is pink, is outlined with pink color, so we'll fill pink color. And the wings are blue in color, so you'll fill blue. And the tail is very colorful, so you can color it blue. Then this portion is of yellow, and this is sky blue color, so you can fill it. So like this you can complete this picture. And what you have to practice at home, you have to practice of drawing these lines. Okay, these types of lines, you use your drawing notebook and practice these lines: horizontal, vertical, diagonal, spiral. There is a spiral, curly line. As you see, you have noodles. Noodles also are curly, right? Then curve line. Then this is zigzag line. You can also find these lines designed on your clothes, on your shirts, or on your dresses, right? So yes, these shapes are used to design the clothes or dresses, or we also use them to draw the shapes or forms, or draw any other picture, right? There are also tricks to draw very difficult pictures with the help of these forms. Like we can draw a cat, we can draw a dog with the help of these forms. Okay, we will learn it later. So till then you can practice of drawing how to draw a chick. First to draw a circle for the face and draw an oval for the body part, and then these legs are slanting or diagonal lines are drawn, and 4 fingers for chicks. And yes, there is a V shape of lines for the beak of the cheeks. Okay, fine students, see you in the next class. Bye bye, take care.